going to continue with the demo. So where we are is I have the JMeter script in place. I have started the application. You can see it's instrumented with Chaos Monkey. And then to invoke the JMeter script, I just have a simple shell script which I run, which is going to run 20 times with one virtual user, and then it just outputs the log so we can look at it. So you can see here I have a number of actually, so I have the Chaos Monkey injected now. So we can see here is I have some response time delays right here. So normally it's 20 milliseconds. So way we can configure this. So when the app boots up, this was my configuration. But what's nice about this is through Postman, we can configure and override that behavior. So here what I can do is, let's just do a latency of true. We'll kill the application false. We'll have this range. A level of 2 will mean every other request will be slow. So you can see app has been configured, it's been changed. I can view my config as well, by running the Chaos Monkey, and it'll tell me what my settings are. And the way it injects itself is through, it looks for annotations for Spring related to controller services, components, etc. So right now I just have it on the controller, and that's how it kind of, it makes it easier that way for this particular app. So if I go back and rerun the test, this will take a little longer because it is has response time delays. We'll give it a second. And just as while this is running, what I can tell you is I played around with the Sock Shop app, and I can make it work with that as well. I had to comment out some code because there is some sort of monitoring built into the Sock Shop app that I had to disable, and I can walk you through that if you want. But let's just let this chug. So you can see already my average response time has already decreased from milliseconds to 2 seconds here. Give it another minute. So there you go. So right. So if we look at this column, you can see 4 seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. 4 seconds, 4 seconds, 4 seconds. That's the idea. So let me go back and run the other scenario. I'm running out of time, so let's just change this to, we'll turn the latency to false. We'll do the exceptions to true. Save that configuration. Come back to this. Run my shell script. This will run much faster because there's no delays. Boom. And you can already see here my error rate was 60%, just like that. So if we look at these 500s, 500, 500, 500, it's about 50% error rate. The response time's good. This is bad. And then the last, I'm going to run out of time on my recording.